Heavy investigation. Joel's our friend. He was doing our dirty work for us. Did a good job too, and we're going to take delight in that. You're in a position where you're required to trust him. We think we're smart. We put you in a position where you had contact when the only contact you had otherwise is harassment and torture. So we put you in a position of contact with a pope. So you were required to listen. Look at him, he's interacting with me. That's pretty good. Good footage. Once we get out of your cousin's court, we'll show the judge that. Joel can sit there with King Saul. Look at that. See him revving that? That's nothing. That's 25% maybe, and he's far away. Imagine, and you know what, when I say 10, it was more than 10. They weren't just, there's 10 in a small vicinity around my house. There's more above it, and then they had the cover-up airway and the helicopters, and it was unholy, merciful hell. I fucking had to go into some fucking land and just take shit and go to God, my happy place, and it's fucking disturbing, fucking unholy, unmerciful fucking hell. I couldn't even try to record it or do anything because it was fucking unmerciful hell. Government fucking investigating while everyone gets paid, and then they send a warlock to help me. I fucking knew the whole time, but then no, that's not true. You fucking take shit and lack it. Here comes the fucking white and blue jet, Intel jet, the one that landed on my roof earlier, the one that I have videos of doing corkscrews and landing on the roof. Doesn't matter, it still happens, never stops. Well, we can get everyone worked up against you, blow everything out of proportion, and try to make problems permanent that weren't even going to be problems. We can steal all your shit. And that's what we plan to do. We plan to steal the rest of your shit too, because you're an idiot, but we fucking need your shit. You're an idiot when it suits us.